Maya Krishna Chaitanya He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpati Krishna Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhano Shute Devi Pranamami Hari Pre Hano Shute Devi Namami Hari Vrindai Tulasi Devai Priyaya Keshavasya Vrindai Priyaya Keshavasya Krishna Bhakti Pade Devi Shatavatai Namo Namah Bhajase Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. If I lead the kirtan, Jaya Radha, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan, is it possible for you to repeat behind me? अच्छा, हमारा पीछे पीछे बोलना चाहिए. Jaya Radha, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavana, Shri Govinda Gopinatha, Madana Mohana. Sama Kunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhano Kalindi Jamuna Jayo Jayo Mohabono. Keshi Ghat Bangsi Bata Dada Shakanana Jahasha Bolila Koilo Sri Nandir Nandana. Keshi Ghat নন্দ যশোদা জয় জয় গোপগণ শ্রীদামাদি জয় জয় ধেনু বৎসগণ জয় বৃষভানু জয় কৃতে দাসন্দরি জয় পৌর্ণমাসি জয় আভির নগরে জয় জয় গোপেশ্বর বৃন্দাবন মাঝো জয় জয় কৃষ্ণ শাখা ভট্ট দেজরাজো জয় রাম ঘাট জয় রহিণী নন্দন জয় জয় বৃন্দাবন বাসী যত জন জয় জয় দ্বিজ পত্নী জয় নাগো কন্যাগান ভক্তিতে যাহারা পাইল গোবিন্দ চরণ শ্রীরাস মণ্ডল জয় জয় রাধেশ্যাম জয় জয় রাস লীলা সর্বমনোরম জয় জয় জল রস সর্বরস সারো পরকিয়া ভাবে যা ব্রজেতে প্রচারো শ্রীজাহ্নব পাদ পদ্ম করে স্মরণ কৃষ্ণ দাস কহে নাম সংকীর্তন Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Wow, great. Sometimes. Anyway, anybody want to chant, has desire to chant any song? You can do it, otherwise I can start class up. Do you expect anybody? Huh? Harmonium, yeah.
Where is the harmonium? Let's see how. छोड़ दो मैं करता हूँ.
बुरे लोगों का बहुत लेबर समान हमारा नहीं बाबा, हमारा नहीं चाहिए, वो तो ये हो जाए तो मत हो जाए। चलो तुम ओ जी जाओ।
वहीं पे बैठे वहीं पे बैठे
Where's the other one? Yeah, and pass that one. Give that one to Gurudev.
अभी आ गए थे वो लोग।
हाँ मैं वेट कर दिया
जल्दी करो जल्दी करो।
अभय रानी ठाकुर जी की
So anybody have any desire to chant? Katha. Vandeham Shiguram Srijutapadakammalam Sri Gurum Vaishnavangscha Sri Rupam Shagrajata Sagana Raghunatham Itang Tang Sajivam Sadaitam Sabodhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Vishakhanitangscha Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to my beloved spiritual master, founder Acharya of Sri Gopinath Gaudiya Math, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur, Grand Spiritual Master, the founder Acharya of all Gaudiya Math, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, Great Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace Paramhamsa Kula Chudamani Thakur Srila Gaura Kishore Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj, Seventh Goswami of Gaudiya Math, His Divine Grace Satchidananda Sri Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Also I offer the same to all the appointed Acharya and pure devotee in our lineage as well. I offer my due respect to you and all. I offer my prostrated obeisance to the Binod Baba. I saw his picture over there, who is residing at Barshana. I offer my prostrated obeisance to the all associate of Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. So someone says, some question they have. What question? On that base I can chant. I can start my Harikatha.
दोपहर में
क्लास से पहले कोई पूछा था ना क्वेश्चन? आपको कोई क्वेश्चन था ना? Yes, yes, ask.
Maharaji, I was asking when we say the patriotism and bhakti, like bhakti and desh bhakti, when they're two different things. But when we are performing bhakti and we go towards a little bit towards desh bhakti, people think that you are going towards a negative. Your thoughts are coming negative and you are deviating from the path of bhakti. So how do we balance each other? Like when I heard like dharma rakshati rakshata, so dharma ki raksha is very important as well. So how do we balance that? And what is most important?
What is the definition of bhakti? Do you know? The definition of bhakti, our Rupa Goswami Pad explained. Anya bhilashita shunnang jnana karma anavritam anukullena krishna anushīlanam bhakti uttama bhakti. Anya bhilashita shunnang. Anna means other. Abhilash means desire. Shunna means zero. Other desire should be zero. Shunna. But desire should be there. What desire? Desire to satisfy Krishna. Krishna's gratification should be there. There is zero our own sense gratification. Zero. Jnana karma anavritam. Jnana means jnani who has desire to get mukti. There are 5 types of mukti. Saruppa mukti, same form of Lord. Sajajya mukti, merge with the Lord. Samippa mukti, samippa means near to Lord. Salakya mukti, same abode of Lord. And Sasti, same opulence of Lord. Those are Mayavadi's definition of mukti. Right? Jnana karma anavritam. Karma means who has desire to get only name and fame. Desire to get name and fame. With the desire of whatever we name and fame desire, if we do anything, that is called karma. Anavritam means both will be surrendered, fully blossom. Surrender. Jnana karma anavritam, like Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, there is 3 parts. First 6 chapter, total 18 chapter. First 6 chapter describing the karma yoga. Last 6 chapter describing the jnana yoga. Middle 6 chapter describing the bhakti yoga. Bhakti actually covering by jnana karma. Anavritam, with bird form, it should be like blossoming. Anavritam, open that. Where you should do that? Surrender. To where? Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. Lord Chaitanya came here to teach that. That if you want to get prem, pure love for Krishna, in order to get the prem, he taught us how to surrender. How to surrender. Therefore, our previous teacher, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, composed that Uttanta durlabha prem koribare dan Shikhaya Sharanagati Bhakotero Pran. It is extremely rare. Even that's rare for God and goddesses. That pure love for Krishna, Prem. To distribute their love without discrimination amongst all of us. No discrimination between caste and creed. No discrimination between woman and man. Just to distribute everyone. Oh? So, this is so surrender is the best and a first stage to practice devotion. To whom surrender? Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. There is a question of desh. Desh means what? Your desh, India, today India, tomorrow somewhere else. But entire world belongs to Supreme Lord. It was 1933. 1933, I think all of you know India's, there is a big revolutionary, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Do you know that? Subhash Chandra Bose, he came to Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. Where? In that Gaudiya Math, while Srila Prabhupada giving discourses. And hundreds of young Navajovan, hundreds of sitting in his class. Subhash Chandra Bose came. And then Prabhupada asking, Subhas Babu, is there anything I can do for you? Subhash Chandra Bose says, I saw you have a lot of young. So I want to get in my Azad Hind Fauj, Azad Hind Fauj, Subhash Chandra Bose established. I need a soldier in my group, Azad Hind Fauj. Then Srila Prabhupada asking him, Subhas Babu, do you believe reincarnation? Yes, I believe. Subhas Babu, do you read Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavad Gita? Yes, I believe. I read. Subhas Babu, do you know that Srimad Bhagavad Gita slok, Jang Jang Bapi Smarang Bhavang? Who knows this slok? Tejante Kale Bharam. During the time of my physical departure, whatever we think, Smaran Bhavan, whatever remember, think, accordingly, we will born the next life. Next life we will born accordingly. So, if you believe that, now in this life, you are in Indian, you are trying to find out the soldier fight against British. After your physical departure, you are born in British at that time. To whom you are going to fight? To whom you are going to fight? Am I clear? Huh? The Subhash Chandra Bose silent and says, I understand what you say, but I am too far. I cannot step back. So Desh Bhakti na, Desh Seva. But Bhakti is established love to serve Krishna. Spontaneous loving spontaneous loving service mood towards Lord is called bhakti. And Desh Seva means if you are really want to do real country is the lotus feet of Krishna. This is home for all living beings. Home for all living beings. We can do the duties as we are a tiny citizen. Whatever duty we can do, that is your Desh Seva. But if you are ultimate Desh Seva, that is the encourage people how to reach the lotus feet of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. In this current age, Kali Yuga, age of quarrel, real Desh Seva, when we encourage citizen to reach the lotus feet of Krishna. And according to our previous teacher, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad explained that Krishna naam hote pabe Krishna re charan. Through chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, without offense, we can reach to the lotus feet of Krishna. In that way, devotional people thinking Desh Seva. So Gaudiya Math, whoever practicing under the shelter of Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, they are actually doing Desh Seva, as well as they are actually serving, helping us our eternal identity to establish. Am I clear? So, whatever our understanding, Desh Seva, whatever the people are talking about, I just give an example of what Srila Prabhupada what he said to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Am I clear?
You have a question for me? Not taken a question.
Is it on here? Today I like the format. Maharaj. Today I like the format. Starting from the question, so we have a bit more clarity rather than like listening to a common speech. So my question is, when it comes to mantra diksha and getting the mercy of Bhagavan, Guru Kripa is also needed. So mantra diksha is one of the things to start with. So I've been associated with ISKCON. I already have a Seva Guru Diksha, but I don't have any mantra diksha, but I'm doing my own chanting and all those things, mantla and everything. So in order to get into that stage, should I find a guru, or is there a guru can find me? What is the actual Shastra says? It's been like what I look at things is everything is like so much institutionalized. So I should be like graduate to get Diksha, or should I get Diksha then get graduated, or what is the actual Shastra? Because I have a...
Okay, first of all, I have a question for you in this regard. If you like to learn swimming, so you have to jump first, if you jump to water, or you just, without water you learn swimming and then you can jump water. What? Do you understand my analogy?
Yes.
Huh? If you like to learn swimming, first of all you have to jump in the water.
Yes.
Then eventually, when you move your body, then you can realize how we can float your body on the water and how we can go ahead. Huh?
But can I get into the water without any instructions, or is it going to be?
No. But this is one question I will answer one by one. I will answer you everything. So my question is this: if you learn swimming, there is a teacher in it.
Yes.
Then also, what I explained before, Lord Chaitanya also teaching us Saranagati. If you really want to get the prem, pure love for Krishna, this is explained. Ottanto durlabha prem koribare dan shikhaya saranagati bhakotero pran. Lord Chaitanya teaching us to surrender. He himself Lord, Supreme Lord. No need for any initiation for him, no need to find any guru for him. But he is acting like a devotee of Lord. So he took initiation from Ishwarapuri. Why? Because our Narottam Das Thakur says, Asraya loya bhaje, tare Krishna nahi taje. Arshab more akarane. Ashram means shelter. Whose shelter? Parampara shelter. When we engage ourselves to serve Lord under the shelter of parampara, actually our problem is this: our understanding about Guru is wrong. Because Guru means we are thinking individual. When we think Guru is individual, that means we are not worshipping Guru. You are worshipping one person, Bhakti Puja. Actually, Guru is one Tattva, entire parampara. And top, the parampara top is Krishna himself. So take shelter of the entire parampara, like a big train compartment, huh? So many compartment train. Without connecting the engine, is it possible the compartment can go one station to another station? So Guru Parampara is like a train engine. All we are like a compartment. We have to connect it with engine. Then we can go the destination, whatever, according to our desire. So therefore, the Lord, Supreme Lord Shri Krishna in the form of Lord Chaitanya, he is showing us to accept Guru. Why? Diksha kale shishya kare atma samarpan, sei kale Guru tare kar atma samo. Sei tare Krishna tare kare atma samo. And Guru Krishna Prasada Pai Bhakti Lata Bhishta, several code is there. If we really want to get the seeds of devotion, that will come through Guru and Vaishnava. But Guru means not like a decorative Guru. Guru have some qualification. Guru qualification is Kripa Sindhu. This is Purana says. Puran says Kripa Sindhu Susamparna Sarva Sattva Prakaraka Nispriho Sarvata Siddho Sarva Vidya Visharada Sarva Sangshayo Sangchetta Analasa Gururahuta. This is Mahamuni Vedabhyas says. Guru means Kripa Sindhu. Susampar, who has mercy, ocean of mercy. Not a pretending like I'm a guru, glossy cloth, little artificial mood. It's not like this. It's not symptom of Guru. Guru's symptom is Kripa Sindhu Susamparna, who is following all the norm of devotional practice by example and teaching accordingly. Not like a artificial emergency sitting one place and people are very, very difficult to meet with him, asking question from him. This is not like a problem. This is a symptom, not symptom of Guru. Guru always engaged to serve and teach us to serve. Like I heard from the Vinod Baba, from morning to midday he is sitting and chanting. My spiritual master, His divine grace, although he is not physically present now, he physically passed in 1999. From 3 a.m. to 12 noon, he was completely ritual, morning ritual is there. 3 a.m. to 12 noon, that I was his personal servant. So such type of engaged. And then Susham Parana Sarvasatya Prakar, whatever the norm of the devotional practice, like a guru supposed to be Acharya Dharmang, Paricharya Vishnu, one Acharya, one guru, who is teaching us by example, always look after how to serve Krishna, Vishnu, Paricharya Vishnu. Vicharja Tirthani, Vicharja Vedam. Vicharja means always visiting Tirtha. Tirtha means pilgrimage. And whatever you do, everything as per Veda. Vicharja Vedam. That is explained in our Guru's symptom. Also, Guru is sadhu. What is sadhu's symptom? Sadhu's symptom, Mahamuni Vedavyas say, Tritishava Karunika Srihida Sarvadehi Nam Ajata Satrava Shanta Sadhava Sadhu Bhushanam. Tritiksha, extreme tolerance. People may blaspheme him. He never blasphemed to others. He always keeping magnanimity. Kripa Sindhu, Susham Parana, and then Tritishava Karunika, Karuna, mercy, always mercy. Srihida Sarvadehi Nam. Srihid means well-wisher for all living beings, not only my society's members, no. Only human being, no. All living beings. This symptom of sadhu. Guru is sadhu. And then, Ajata Satrava. Guru never think anybody is enemy. Other may think he is my enemy, but Guru never think he is my enemy. Sadhu never think he is my enemy. Shanta, by nature, quiet. Why? Because Krishna Bhakta Nishkama Dev Santo. Krishna Bhakta, devotee of Krishna, they have no any material expectation. Therefore always they are quiet, mood is quiet. Sadhava Sadhu Bhushanam, that is the symptom of sadhu. This is explained by Mahamuni Vedavyas. Also explained, Kripa Sindhu Susham Parana Sarva Satya Prakarakam. Nispriho, no attachment, no material attachment. I want to make big temple, big deities. That means that then I can be big guru. In this way, if you think, then Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, who is guru for all of us, he is not guru. He used to serve his Nitai Gaur in a small hut. Nispriho Sarvato Siddho. His expertise for all type of spiritual knowledge. Sarvoto siddha, sarvo vidya visharada, sarvo sankshaya sanchetta. Whatever material, whatever doubt, spiritual doubt, he can cure. He is eligible to cure. Anal he is not lazy. Sitting, lying down, sleeping. No. 24 hours engage himself to serve. Guru Rahutam. This is the qualification of Guru. So such Guru, that we have to take shelter of that. So such Guru, if he such type of Guru who is not thinking he is a Guru, if Guru is thinking he is a Guru, my Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur says, he is not qualified to be Guru. He become Goru. Goru means cow, animal. He explained the first syllable, Ukar, means U, should be deleted. Guru, the Goru, cow. Why? Because this is our Vaishnava's qualification. We should not think I am a Vaishnava. Therefore, real Vaishnava, they never allow to wash their feet. No feet bathing ceremony. I never saw my spiritual master allowing to wash his feet. I saw my Siksha Guru Pad Padma. How many Siksha Guru Pad Padma? Like His Divine Grace Bhakti Daita Madhava Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Deva Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Sarang Goswami Maharaj. I never say Bhakti Kumud Santa Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Saura Bhakti Sar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Kamal Madhusudan. They are all Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta disciple. This Godfather of Bhakti Vedanta Swami, founder Acharya of ISKCON. They never allow. They never allow them to wash their feet. Because this is the principle. Vaishnava never think he is a Vaishnava. Guru never think he is a Guru. Therefore, our previous teacher composed very nice song. Amito Vaishnava e buddhi hole amani na habo ami pratishtha shashi hridaye dushibe hoibo niraya gami. I become a Vaishnava. As soon as this understanding taking place in our consciousness, you are not able to be humble at all. Rather, we'll accumulate so lots of name, fame, desire, which is really dirty. How much dirt? He says, stool of a hog. Hog. Hog, they are eating all the dirt. Their stool. Pratishtha shashi, hridaya dushibe, hoibo niraya gam, then we will go to hell. Vaishnava's symptom, Guru's symptom, they never think they are Guru, they never think the Vaishnava, by nature they are humble, like a blade of grass. Lord Chaitanya explained. So, Sajavat Guru means decorative Guru. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur also clearly explained. Bahire ro sajjato antarete phakitato. How much we will be decorative outwardly, that much there emptiness inside. All previous teachers describing like this way. So, real Guru have to always accept. Why? Because Because we have lots of anartha. Anartha means unwanted mundane desire. How many anartha? Mainly how many anartha? You are Bhakti Viksha student, right? Tell me. How many anartha? According to the Vishwanath Chakravarti, how many anartha? And it looks like he doesn't know. Anyway, first anartha is Sarupa Brahm. Sarupa Brahm means false identity. We are actually eternal servant of Supreme Lord, but we are thinking I am the temple president, I am this, I am that. I am a husband of that, a wife of that. No, it is not. Second anartha, asat trishna. False thirstiness. Trishna means thirsty. Greediness. You are not happy whatever you have. You need more, more, more. It's called asat trishna. I'm just giving you an analogy, a brief way. Third anartha aparad. When you have desire, name and fame, you don't care about offense. In order to reach your goal, fulfill your expectation, you can blaspheme to all your godmother, all the Vaishnava, all are inferior. They're all inferior. I am only superior. That mood will come. That is not Vaishnava mood, that is not good. This is anartha. And then fourth anartha is Hridaya Daravalla, weakness of our heart. Many things we know this is not proper. But we are doing. Like in a Vaishnava tradition, we should not criticize others. We are still criticizing. Oh, Gaudiya Math bad. We are ISKCON the best. Huh? We are openly, kholam ghum raha. You can show here in the material world you are the best, but you are not able to be the best in the eyes of Lord. You are still anartha is there. When anartha is there, Lord is unable to bestow His mercy directly. But Lord wants to bestow His mercy to us. Therefore, we need to take shelter of bona fide spiritual teacher. Like I can give an example. Dhruva Maharaj. He has desired to get father kingdom, father throne. But his determination was such a strong. Lord wants to come to him, but he is not unable to come because he has anartha is there. Then he sent Narad Muni. Narad, go and give him initiation. And let him chant and free from all the anartha. Then I'll come. Then Narad Muni came and gave him initiation and chant this mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Then gradually free from anartha. Then close his eyes. And he can see Lord inside his heart. And same Lord, when appear in front of him, still he is not going to open his eyes. The Lord himself say, Dhruv, look, I am here in front of you. So then he said, look, oh, he's Lord. Whatever Sikayat complain, all he forget. Instead of complaining about his stepmother, Suruchi, so he's trying to glorify Lord, but he is 5-year-old, unable to explain the Sanskrit glorification. The Lord has a conch in her conch. This is a symptom of knowledge. She touched the conch to us. The Dhruv, and then Dhruv. Glorify Lord with hundreds of slokas. Therefore we need Guru. But Guru should be bona fide. Anartha Yukta Guru never allow us to be delivered. No, Anartha Yukta always giving us more anartha. Instead of become free from all material desire, material greed, we'll accumulate more greed. I want this position, that position. There is no position in this material world. I want to be servant of Radharani. That desire will come up. So Anartha Yukta Guru, Anartha Mukta Guru. Anartha Yukta means Guru has anartha, unwanted mundane desire. All material expectation is there. That is Anartha Yukta Guru. That Guru will not allow us to get any prem. Only material expectation day by day will increase. Anartha Mukto, then we can get prem. That is our ultimate goal of spiritual practice, to get prem. Lord Chaitanya also explained. First 6 Shastaka sloka, he explained how to cleanse all the anartha. On the base of Lord Chaitanya 6 Shastaka first sloka, Cheta Darpana Marjanam, then on the base of that sloka, our Bhaktivinoda Thakur also composed one Bengali poet, a Bengali poem. Naam Sankirtane Hai Sarvanarthanas, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra without offense will destroy our all anartha, unwanted mundane desire. Sarvo Shubhodaya Krishna Primera Ullas. Whenever anartha destroyed completely, Sarvo Shubhodaya Krishna, all. We cannot think bad about others. We cannot think the others, they are my enemies. Always think auspicious. Everybody superior, I am inferior. Such feel will appear. I have to uplift our spiritual position. I want to be servant of Radharani. I want to servant of our lineage. Sarvo Shubhodaya Krishna Premier Ullas. And in that you can get the glimpse of the prem. Then Sankirtan Hoite Papo Sangsaro Nasan. Through congregational chanting, pap means sin, bad karmas, consequence will destroy. Sangsar, all the material attachment will destroy. Papo sangsaro nasan, chitta shuddhi sarva bhakti sadhana udagam. Then chitta means mind, heart, cleanse. Sadhana means our practice, spiritual practice, udgam, enthusiastic with practice. Serve all Vaishnava. And then Krishna, as soon as cleanse, mind cleanse, heart cleanse completely, then Krishna, Premadagam, what is our ultimate goal? We want our goal, ultimate goal, to get pure love for Krishna. Krishna, Premadagam, Premamrita, Shradan. Then you can get the taste of that prem, pure love for Krishna. And then Krishna Prapti, Shabab, Sevamrita, Samudra. This is written by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Krishna Prapti, Sevamrita, Samudre, Majjan. Then we can have ocean of service to serve Krishna. That is our ultimate way to be delivered from this miserable mundane world. Therefore we need Guru. Otherwise, if you chant, this, you can get benefit. What benefit? You can get piety, punno. That punno will give you materially comfortable life, not prem. Materially comfortable life will have more and more, will be greedy for accumulate more material wealth. Instead of free from the material attachment, it's only chanting without shelter, it will give you more and more material attachment. Am I clear? This is, I can give a more explanation. I think what I say you understand.
My question is, how to find that guru?
Oh, in that case, I just explained them. Actually, Narottam Das Thakur explained. We should not involve with any canvassing ourselves. Anybody come, oh, he is the best guru, go and there. We should not involve with any canvassing. Narottam Thakur says, Krishna kripa hai guru mele, guru kripa hai Krishna mele. First of all, you have to pray to the ultimate guru, who is Krishna. Krishna rakshati jagatrayam guru. Krishna is protecting all of us, maintaining all of us. Therefore, he is Jagat Guru, universal Guru, Krishna himself. Whoever initiating, teaching, instructing, they are all their Krishna's representative. How much they are dear to Krishna, that much they have supremacy, not absolute. So, we have to pray to Krishna. According to our standard, Krishna will send his representative accordingly to us. If you want opulence, Krishna can send you opulence, Guru. You can be happy with opulence, not the Krishna. Am I clear?
That's very clear.
No.
Thank you.
Any questions? What time is it now?
8. Good time.
Oh.
Mike.
Gurudev, just the other day I was cooking,
Cooking?
I was cooking just in the kitchen. You were giving a lecture, but you made a point, but I couldn't catch it.
I can't remember what is. There is no fixed, Whatever Lord's allow me to speak, that I am speaking. There is no fixed plan. I have to speak today, this class, this thing. I've never prepared anything. Okay, go on. Tell me that, what I said.
So the point that I caught was that if we're committing offenses and we're chanting, congregation chanting, it doesn't have effect. Can you please explain a little
Listen,
more about this?
Krishna never accept our any service if you have offense to Vaishnava. Blaspheming to Vaishnava, sadhu ninda. First, Namaparad first offense sadhu ninda. Blaspheming to sadhu. Never accept anything. In this regard, I can give an example. I think you know Chapal Gopal. He was thinking to Lord Chaitanya's Hare Krishna movement is like competitive for him. Because he was, in Navadvip, it was like a black magic center. Tantra center. Chapal Gopal used to do Tantra. And Tantric people, they are always using red color hibiscus flower, wine, animal flesh, all those things. They are also their target to enjoy with women, such types of things. But people, when they get the taste of chanting, when chanting vibration, purifying all the places in Navadvip, so everybody going to join to Lord Chaitanya Sankirtan movement, where he performed in the house of Srivas Pandit. One day, midnight, Sankirtan going on. In order to prove everyone, when they say, look, my customer gone, customer going to this Mahaprabhu's place, Lord Chaitanya's place, Nimai Pandit's place. So he just make a plan, hidden way, when they will perform Sankirtan in their home. Outside, front door outside, we will keep these things. Animal flesh, hibiscus flower, wine, keep outside. I'm keeping hidden way, no effect. No one knows who did so. It is your idea. But offense is offense. His actually goal was to make Srivas Pandit house is impure. Don't go there. Look what I am doing here. They are doing same thing over there. Why you are going there? Come to me. But what happened? Effect, offense, Lord always with us in the form of Paramatma. We are Jivatma like this. We are Paramatma like this. Jivatma like this. Jivatma looking Maya, Paramatma looking all Jivatma. Our goal of practice to turn our face towards Lord. Our purpose to reach Lord, to serve Him wholeheartedly. Not like a glorifying Maya. No. Okay? So in that way he blasphemed, he committed offense to Srivas Pandit. And then out of the offense, he got the leprosy in his hand. And it was a severe leprosy, very painful. When he feeling pain, out of pain, in order to get rid of the pain, Chapal Gopal knew Chaitanya is Lord. So he came to Lord Chaitanya and glorifying. You are Ishvara, you are Sansar, with raised hand. Lord Chaitanya, like a stubborn. As soon as he stopped to glorify him, he said, Ghuj ghuj beta vidyaman hote tore dekhile lokera paap janmete. Means get out from here. He is glorifying you. Our Mahaprabhu is incarnation of love. And there is no love, symptom of love. People apparently say like that. But actually, when his Mahaprabhu showing his anger, then he says, you are Ishvara, you are my Lord, you are Lord. Please give me the solution. Then Lord Chaitanya says, Paye kata phutile ki skande vair hoy. Thorn inject to your feet. And you are trying to take out the thorn from your shoulder. How is it possible? Then I cannot understand what you say. Your offense towards Srivas Pandit. Or you are coming to me to get rid from the offense. No, go. Do you know what is the consequence to commit Vaishnava offense? Naam kurilo ta na kare grohon. Chanting, you can chant millions. Life you can chant. It will not consider to be chanting. Puja korilo ta na kare grohon. Even the worshipping Lord will not accept anything from your hand. So that Vaishnava is such a dangerous, and if you are not trying to be free from the Vaishnava offense, it's not possible to do anything. So therefore, congregational chanting, you can join there, but offender never get the mercy. Krishna never allowed. Vaishnava offender, never. But other offense, which chant gradually it can illuminate. That is explained by our Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Sakale samman korite sakati deho natho jatha jato tobe to gaibo harinamo sukhe aparadho habe hato. Let's give me the potency. Sakole to keep due respect to everyone. Sakole samman kurite sakoti. Due respect to everyone. And if you keep due respect to everyone, what is going to happen? Tabe to gaibo Hari Namo Sukhe. Then I am able to chant happily Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If you chant happily Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then what is going to happen? Aparado habe hato. All offense can destroy it. But not Vaishnava offense.
Gurudev, just a continuation. What if we're participating in
What?
What if we are participating in an assembly of devotees who have committed aparad and they're chanting the holy names? What happens to us?
When fire in the room, we'll come to the fire inside room. If you come to the inside room, then the fire will touch you and burn you. You should try to find out. If you want, in a supermarket has so many things, stuff. But your purpose to enter supermarket to get some goods, what you need, right? Your purpose not to supermarket, how much they are decorating the supermarket. This is not our purpose to see. We want to check what I'm going to get it, how much superior quality is there. So supermarket like this, nowadays congregational chanting like a supermarket. So you have to find out where we can find that Nirupadhik Vaishnava, who has no upadhi, no tendency to get any appreciation, recognition, name, fame, tendency. So, our Rupa Goswami Pada explained in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Sarvapadhi vinirmuktang tatparatena nirmalam rishikena rishikesha shavaya bhakti rucchate. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktang, all type of material appreciation and recognition. Vinirmuktam, completely free. A pinch of material appreciation, recognition taking place in our consciousness, you cannot reach Krishna. You have to be here. This is explained by Rupa Goswami Pada. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktang tatparatena nirmalam rishikena rishikesha sevaya. With our physical form, completely engaged to serve Lord. Our actually mind should serve. Mind is riding the chariot, body like a chariot, organ like a horses. Mind is riding, intelligence like a rein of the horse. So where you keep mind, you will take your chariot there. So therefore we should fix our mind towards the Lord's services and His devotee services. No. Fire, we can keep fireplace. We should not jump to the fire.
So is that the same for prasadam as well?
How you know that person is offensive? Understand what I said? How you know the person is offensive? If you feel yourself, it is better to avoid that, all type of association. And if you don't know, if you just go, take prasadam from, before honoring prasad, Mahaprasade Govinde Nama Bhrishmame Vaishnave Salpa Punna Patang Raja Vishasana Yuvajayate. Sharira Abhidya, therefore we are actually praying this song. Sharira Abhidya Jala Jarendiyo Tahekal Jive Phele Vishaya Sagare Tadhirvavati Lobhamoy Sudurmati Take jeta kuchina sangsare Krishna bada dayamoy koribare jiva jay Saprasada anna dila bhai Shri annamrita pao Radha Krishna gunagao Pime dako. If you pray like this, then to who actually offered the to Lord, that's the matter. You respecting his prasadam. Not like you are not thinking about that. Oh, it is. If you just think about this is Rashbala, Manakwala, Dahi Bada. This is with the understanding. If you eat, that is not prasadam. I can give an example. I think all of South Indian people, they are very pious. In 1999, when I went to first time to preach in South India. After my class, I saw a big queue to take prasadam. What prasadam? Dal and jaggery mixing with water. Dal, boiled dal and jaggery with water, mixing water. And this much small cup they are eating. Big queue to take this prasadam. I'm asking, what is this? Prasadam. Oh my God. Anyway, so it was after Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta's physical departure. Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta's physical departure, when our Bhakti Vilas Tirtha Goswami Maharaj Acharya of Gaudiya Math, he arranged every annual ceremony of Madras Gaudiya Math, Chennai Gaudiya Math. He went there. He invited lot of judge, lot of eminent and position in the town, city. He invited all of them. And Gaudiya Math famous. Even I came to join Gaudiya Math because of the prasadam. I'm telling you the truth. Whenever I get any holiday from my school, I just used to come to the Gaudiya Math. They used to give me the sweet rice. Pushpanna means fancy rice. Fancy rice means ghee, this like cashew, almond, raisin, mixing the rice, fancy rice. And paneer sabji. Paneer means, not like how you cook, not like that. Very, very nice, tasty person. So as a student, I used to come. Huh? Yeah. So, paneer sabji. They used to keep for me. I used to come and eat. And listen Hari Katha. So anyway, so look, the Gaudiya Math is very famous. It's still famous, the sweet rice. So, Bhakti-Vilas Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, after the function over, they call all the eminent guests to one room, hall room, and he is standing there and he is instructing to his disciples to distribute prasadam. And sweet rice, he is forcing all of them to take more. But when everybody on our prasadam they left, even that such a way they took prasadam, ants is crying on the plate. Nothing left over. Yeah. So what happened, when he himself sit for prasadam and taste the sweet rice, it's absolutely salty, because in cook, instead of sugar, a salt put there, completely salty. And then he press high. Then he sent his disciples, even himself, he went as several prominent guests. Then he said, you know what they say? Swamiji, we are not going there for taking sweet rice, going there for prasadam. Whatever you gave us, we honor it. In that manner, if you take prasad, then you can get effect of prasadam. Am I clear? Any question?
Please, Leela of Sriji and Thakurji, Leela Katha.
Leela Katha. Are you able to come tomorrow in their homes? In his home? In his home? Is his home tomorrow? No.
My husband will be at work.
Okay. Anyways, in brief I am telling you. Do you know the place of Jabot in Vrindavan? Braj? Jabot. Do you hear the name? This is Radharani's in-law house, Jabot. What is the meaning of actual meaning of Jabot? Jab means alta. Alta means liquid kumkum, what is wearing the feet. Wearing the feet. Women are wearing. Married women, they are keeping there. Bot means banyan tree. So therefore, this place name is Jabot. What is the actual incident happened? Radharani used to take bath in the Kishori Kund. Jabot, a place where you can see that Kishori Kund is there. The near Kishori Kund there is Shingar Mandir there. So that Shingar Mandir, that is banyan tree there. After taking bath, Radharani, Krishna used to come and painting Radharani's feet with alta and jab. Therefore that place becomes Jabot. So one day, Krishna, during the cowherding time, midday, he came to the Jabot to meet with Radharani. But Radharani already in in-law's house. Jatila is obstacle, Kotila is obstacle, Durmukh is actually brother-in-law obstacles, her husband, Ayan Ghosh obstacle, everybody obstacles. But Krishna has desired to visit, to seek Radha. And such a way, the pang of separation of Radha, he's crying, Krishna is crying. And with Krishna, there was Subal Saka was there. Krishna says, Subal, anyhow to bring Radha here. Subal says, Prabhu, it is impossible. How can I tell her? How can I reach her? Jatila, Kutila, Durmukh, Ayan Ghosh, everybody are there. Then say, Subal, do something, otherwise I cannot survive anymore. You know, whenever Krishna explain anything, bona fide Guru explain anything, if you just jump, then they will give you the intelligence, they will give you potency. So Subal Saka was thinking going to the brother-in-law house, and then he's just met the brother-in-law's house, front door, Jatila, actually mother-in-law of Radharani. It was midday. Sitting there, Jatila and Subal, there's a blood relation. Then asking, hey Subal, why you are here? And they say, I lost one calf. Not thinking, just answer coming, I lost a calf. I'm searching calf. Really? Okay, just, this Indian tradition, if you come in the noon time, they're always offering water. The Jatila says, go, there is Radharani there, Radha is there, and she will give order. First to drink water first. Easily Subal reach Radharani. And then what happened? Then Subal explained the situation. Radharani said, how can I go? Jatila, Kutila, Durmukh, everybody there. But says, you have to make a plan. Radha make a plan. Okay, we can switch our outfit. Because Subal Saka and Radharani looks like similar. Just male and female. That is the gender differences. So they switched their outfit. Then problem was how to cover the breast. Radharani said, I'm using your dress, it looks like you, but how can I cover my breast? Then Subal Saka said, hey, I explained to your mother-in-law, I lost a calf. Go to Goshala, take a calf, cover your breast, and go. Then reached there. Then Radha, with Subal's voice, when he reached Krishna, he said, Prabhu, Radha pretending like a Subal. It is impossible to bring Radha here. Radharani himself says. But I do one thing. Radharani testing Krishna's actual desire. On the way I met Chandravali. If you want, I can bring him here, bring her here. Then Krishna said, no, I want Radha only. I think it is enough. Huh? Many pastimes in Javato. One pastime there. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Haraya Namo Krishna Jadavaya Namo Jadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namo Gopala Govinda Ram Shrimadhusudan Giridhari Gopinath Madana Moho Shri Chaitanya Nityananda Sri Advaita Shita Hari Guru Vaishnava Bhagavata Gita Sri Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghunath Sri Jiva Gopal Bhatta Das Raghunath Ei Jai Gosair Kori Charana Bandhan Ja hoite Vigna Nash Abhishta Puran Ei Jai Gosai Jar Mui Tarodar Dashavara Padare no Mor Panchagha Hare no Mor Panchagha Tader Charana Sebi Bhakta Saneva Janame Janame Hai Ei Abhilash Jai Gosai Jabe Broje Koilaba Radha Krishna Nitya Lila Korilo Prakash Moner Anande Bala Hari Bhaja Vrindavan Sri Guru Vaishnava Pade Majaya Mon Sri Guru Vaishnava Pada Padama Kariya नाम संकीर्तन कही नरोत्तम दास। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल हरि बोल। निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल हरि बोल। जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांगंध बेरिका गिरधारी जू की जय, पंचतत्वात्मक्ष गौर हरि की जय। चल गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति प्रमद पुरी गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय। सपार्थ सपरिकर नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद परमहंस कुल चूड़ामणि ठाकुर शिल गौर किशोरदास बाबा जी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद सच्चिदानंद शील भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री शिल जगन्नाथ दास बाबा जी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। श्री रूपानुग गुरु वर्गो की जय। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। चारी धाम की जय, चारी संप्रदाय की जय। श्री ब्रह्म रुद्र सनक चारी संप्रदाय की जय। श्रीमन मध्वाचार्य रामानुजाचार्य विष्णु शमनिम्बार्कचारी संप्रदाय आचार्य बिंद की जय। भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की जय। भक्त विघ्न विनाशन भक्त विघ्न विनाशन सर्व विघ्न विनाशन कारी नृसिंह देव की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति दयित माधव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री भक्ति गौरव वैखनज गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति कुमुद संत गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति हृदय वनदेव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति कुसुम सुमन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। नित्यला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति विलास तीर्थ गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। सपार्थ सपरिकर नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर की जय। सरस्वती गौरी वैष्णव वृंद की जय। सारस्वती दंडीपाद गान की जय। दंडशम नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति वल्लभ तीर्थ गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति वेदांत वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, जय श्री विनोद बाबा की जय। All glories to assembled devotees. नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय, भुवन मंगल हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे।
जय श्री परम पूज्यपाद श्रील भक्ति विनोद गोस्वामी महाराज की
जय।